Well, she has a red light violation.
I'm not familiar with the city because I just moved here.
Where are you from?
Oklahoma.
You have red lights in Oklahoma?
Yes.
You do? When
But
they're
no cameras.
no cameras. Oh, are you originally from Oklahoma?
No, I born in Pakistan and then I grew up there.
How long have you been in the States?
More than 10 years.
Do you still think of your home country?
Yeah.
Your family there?
Yeah. A lot of
Understand.
people loves you.
Everyone over there, when they come to know that I live in Providence, oh, do you know Caprio? When my friends come over to see me, can you take me over there? I said, oh, unless you have a ticket. Can we take a picture with you, sir? It's a traditional hat from Pakistan, and it's all made from, handmade and everything, so. My father brought one for you, but he didn't have a chance to meet you. But
I've just been baptized a Pakistani.